Welcome my friends, welcome, and let's start our weekly market forecast where I will show you best instruments which we can trade on this week. Also, I will show you very good and useful stuff about education. Also, I will share one gift with all of you who will be here. That's why right now, what should you do? First, write down about quality of the video and sound. Push like button, because why it's important to push like button? When you do it, YouTube sees that it is important and interesting to people, and it share with all YouTube community. And if you think it's really good, right now just push like and write comment after this below the video. Also, what I would like to do at this moment, I would like to share with you my free trading course for beginners. Before we will start and everyone will write down, I would like to share this free trading course for beginners. What you will get. Many of you ask me about education, what to do. Many of people made so huge mistakes in trading, and that's why I created a special course where you can first. What we will do? There would be 5 days where I will teach you which market better to trade. Second. Risks, how to protect your money, how to set stop losses, when you can increase, when you need to decrease volume, and why it's so important at this moment. Why it's so important? Because as you can see, example for you. One man wrote to me 4 days ago. He had 138k account and he blew out 62,000 of USD. It doesn't matter what account size you have. If you don't know how to trade, it means nothing to you. Another example for you of one woman, she wrote to me a few days ago. Her account 15 millions of USD, real account, and the same. That's the reason why I would like to share all such type of knowledge. That's why, what should you do right now? Here is the link. Below this video there also will be a link. Right now, open it and subscribe, because it will be a game changing for you and your life. The best thank you which you can do for me is to share it with your friends traders. That would be the best what you can do. Okay, what's up? Hello my people, good day to you all. Sound is okay, picture is ok. Hi, good voice quality. Good, hello, добрый день. Добрый день, добрый день. Finally, some of you understood that I am from Ukraine and I speak Ukraine. It's my native language. Very clear, good, 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 good. She blew out the couple of lamps. Yes, many lamps she blew out. And still, she didn't close it. And at this moment, euro nearly on 200 pips above that point which she wrote to me. That means that at this moment, maybe minus 8 millions. I don't know what is the margin stop out level. But broker will kick her out if she has leverage 1 to 30. Maybe she already kicked out with 7 or 8 million of loss. Good day to you, mentor. Thanks for sharing your ideas. You're welcome. You're welcome. Also, my friends, 1 minute and we will start. First, here my Telegram channel. Just open it and subscribe. Here us trading view page. Where is it? Trading view page. Here is our trading view page. Also open it and subscribe. Free trading course is not here. Okay, let's go. Let's start. God bless you, Pov. Thank you. Good day, Yuri. Your beginner course is good. Thank you. It's a pleasure to hear. Also, my friends, for many of you here on this page, you can read all feedbacks about the course. If you think, do you need to join or not? Right now, open Telegram. I have attended 3 days already. Good, good, good. I made that course with all my heart, because I understand that many of beginners especially lose money, and there I took the most important topics which you must be covered. And the most important, you need to implement what I told there, and after that you will stop losing money. It's minimum goal if you will implement everything what I had told in that course. Type into a chart, let's go. That would be the best confirmation that we can go and start our weekly forecast. Few seconds. We had started. God bless you. Really come to Bali. Yes, I will be there, and of course I will be there. You should subscribe on me in Instagram, and I will do many stories when I will be there. That's why. Hi Yuri, I'm unable to subscribe to the page. Page is blank. Below the video you will find contacts of my team. Right now ask about access. Here is contacts of my team. Telegram or Facebook Messenger right there, and they will send you all the info. Okay, let's go. Good. Good that you join me, and let's start it. My friends, let's start from EURUSD, and I would like explain you the idea which I sent on TradingView a few minutes ago. You can open this idea. It's here. For many of you, I recommend after that just watch it and read more, because it will be very educational for you. Why? At this moment, EURUSD, as you can see, after such range, price started fast run. The same were here, accumulation for 2 months, and after that, fast run. Remember that always after first cycle, price will do another cycle. We can check many instruments on TradingView, many instruments. I will show you example on gold when we will speak about gold, just for compare. Accumulation, fast up price without any pullback, and after that price stop in this range for 1.5 month. At this moment, same picture as you can see. And so soon, with huge possibility, price first will stop or will do deep pullback. Will happen first or second, I don't know what will happen. That's why I pay attention to this key level. For me, it's important to see what will be at this key level. Why? Because at this moment, price rose up more than 1 ATR. And if price will hit especially this level today, it will be a double ATR. That means huge possibility of bounce. In this entry, if that would happen, I can have risk, just imagine once more level here, I can have risk, a few seconds, 60, let's do 30 pips. But to be honest, I will not open EURUSD with 30 pips because they are ATR is too big at key level. And take a look till the next important and powerful level, zone, better to say at the zone. Risk reward 1 to 11. 1 to 11, you put into risk 100 USD to take 1100. That's what I call a trading. Trading, it is not when you put all your account in one position. Trading, it is when you have low predictable risk and your potential profit will be in many times bigger, many times. Type into a chat, do you wait for such accurate entry idea on EURUSD? My friends, come on, share, push like if you think it's useful right now. Okay, let's go. Good. Type into a chat, is it clear for you about EURUSD? Let's go to gold at this moment. Gold also made the same. As you can see, it's parabolic uprise. It looks like so soon we will see a pullback, because the same cycle happen very often all the time. As you can see, accumulation, price slowly rise up, and after that bullet, pullback. The same, slowly rise, after that bullet, deep pullback. Bullet, deep pullback. Even here, price made a bullet. Remember, when something rose up very fast, it is a signal that so soon there would be range, or there would be a deep pullback. Only in 2 cases, because price cannot rise up forever, and that's all. About gold, okay, yes, I do. No, some of you wrote no. What do you mean? Once more about gold. With huge possibility price so soon will do a pullback. What I think, there could be two scenarios. First one, if there would be re-high after that drop, or there could be like a rise up to 2000 and after that drop to at least 1800, something like that. About entry point, at this moment hard to say, because when you open entry, at this moment there is no wise to open by entry. Why? Because you will open entry at the end of the cycle. Second, as you can see here, if you open sell entry, you go against the trend. That means both entries at this moment is not wise. I would open entry only if there would be some limit level. After breakout of this limit level, I will have like mirror level on lower time frame. In that case, I would open entry on gold. That's all. But we should wait for it. Example for you of such pattern which I told you. As you can see, we had limit level, price bounced many times from this, broke up, create a mirror level, and for continue. The same, just in opposite direction. I will trade. Yes, on it like this. Yes. Good. Ask me what instruments would you like me to analyze. Also, just right now, type into the chat what questions do you have about trading. And also, my friends, another one. Would you like to see reasons why that women lost more than 6 million? Do you want to understand the reasons why that happened? What mistakes she had done in her trading? Okay. Can you share your thoughts on silver? It's going mad. Any pullback? I'm waiting for opportunity to enter. It's good to enter now. S&P 500, yes, I'll do. This gold pump is because they're getting weak from too much printing. It should have went down. There always will be cycles, up and rise. After huge rise, there also will be a powerful pullback. Yes, I will do. I will share that thoughts with you at this moment, my friends. If you have friend trader, share this stream with him or her. It will be helpful for those traders. Go ahead. Let's go, and we should do it together. First, gold we done, EURUSD we done, British pound not interesting. We will not speak. Few words about Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally broke up this triangle, and at this moment, according to this situation which going on with EURUSD, with all other instruments, with huge possibility it will rise up. And as you can see, at this moment we have this cup, and price came back. It's closer retest after breakout, the possibility after such accumulation even to 14,000. It's minimum. I believe in that at this moment. United States print too much money, and huge possibilities that because of that print, even cryptocurrencies will rise up dramatically. You can read this idea which I sent on TradingView about Bitcoin, and you can see how it played out. I will speak about USD Swiss franc. Do you think gold will rise up 2K? I think gold will be 2,500 or 3,000 within next few months. Hi Yuri, can you show me any? I will do silver, my friends. I will do. Do you open trade at every key level? No, there are one things which far more important than key levels. It calls preconditions. It is understanding of price action, because sometimes price break key level, sometimes price bounce from key level, sometimes price does not show any reaction on key level, and it's important to separate it. That's why when I trade, I have preconditions, but preconditions I share it only on my advanced course. You can write to my team about advanced course where I teach people everything about my strategy. It is if you want to save a few years of your life and thousands of USD, you should join my advanced course. There you will learn the preconditions and everything about strategy, entry points, exit points, what levels you can use, what levels you can't use. Gold, on which time frame will you analyze the mirror level? Mirror level you can analyze on 1 hour daily, 4 hour weekly. Don't use lower time frames than 1 hour. People will buy BTC with their US simulates checks. Yes, maybe. Sir Yuri, can you share us what useful indicator are you using? Did you purchase it or just plain fundamental and technical analysis? Once more, there are only one indicator which I use in my trading. It calls ATR, average true range. Here only one indicator which I use. Watch this lesson and you will understand. Save this link. Here is this post in our Telegram channel. Only one indicator which I recommend to all of you. You can read that post in our Telegram channel after that. Just save it and use it after that. Okay, my friends, let's go and cover major instruments. Bitcoin, once more, I believe huge possibility price will rise up. At this moment today, price rose up full ATR. There is no entry. Best entry for me will be breakout of this key level. After pullback, I will open buy. The same idea which you can find on Cardano or link. Where is Cardano? Other USD, other Bitcoin. As you can see, the same situation as were on Cardano Bitcoin. After breakout of powerful key level, price rose up. And after pullback, it was the best place to open entry because risk in that case in many times lower than at this moment. Because at this moment we need to know is it trap or not. After breakout of that range, it will be completely understandable that it is not a trap on Bitcoin. Swiss franc. So many of you had asked me about Swiss franc. At this moment, I would not open any trade. At this moment, I pay attention only to this key level. As you can see, I set alert nearly this key level. It is a low of here, April 2015. That low, it is low 0.9276. 76. At this level, I will look for false breakout. If that will happen, I will open accurate buy. Example for you how price previously reacted on powerful key level. As you can see, it's here. After this reaction, take a look on this up price. I don't like to trade third hit, and if there would be false breakout, I will open buy. Okay, your questions. Please give me the link, download your ATR indicator for MT4. Yuri, the way you calculate it is the same as the indicator that comes with MT4? No, it's not the same. Please give me the link to ATR which you use. That indicator I share with people who buy our education and who join our VIP alerts for 1 year. Or you can open account with my trustful broker and move your trading to trustful broker, and I will share that indicator for you. I will not share it for free because I paid money for developing of that stuff. Kindly, when you ask me something like kindly, that means you want to steal it from me because I paid money, my team paid time for it. I paid few years for understanding how it works, and at this moment you just tell me, Yuri, kindly give it to me. You kindly won't steal it to me. If you don't give something back, that means you steal, because I don't want to give it for you for free, because what did you do for me? At this moment I share with you this live stream. You don't pay any fee, but when you do something like that, it means you does not respect me. If you does not respect me, why should I respect you? How do we identify false breakout? Is it a number of candlestick price action? Thanks. About candlestick false breakout, you can see only after that when it happened. Before, you don't know where will be false breakout, where will be a breakout. But there are a lot of preconditions which you can there are a lot of preconditions which you can use, which will show you that, for example, like with 80% probability, there would be a bounce or a false breakout. About that points, I teach it at my advanced course. It's a lot of time. About preconditions, with some students we study it for 2-3 weeks. It is not for one day. That's why once more you can join our advanced course, and there I'll teach you exactly all the preconditions and how to use ATR and false breakout together. It will be a whole picture, all puzzles together. You will understand it. Can you show using an example in Forex how ATR can be used for finding buying and selling opportunities? Okay, yes. Example for you, Friday, Euro Japanese yen, price hit key level, ATR, as you can see, average daily move at that day on Friday was 79 pips, and price dropped down 113 pips, and after that price bounced for nearly 80 or 90 pips from key level. Risk in that case were nearly 15 pips, and potential profit 15 pips. You can calculate 80 on 15, 1 to 5.3. Simple example. Another example for you, my entry on USD Singaporean, I was a little bit missed, but ATR 56 pips, and from this point price made a pullback for 1 ATR, and after that, pew. Do you need any other evidence? Apologize, kindly forgive. Okay, it's okay, but once more, you need to respect people and efforts of other people. Nothing is free on earth, my dear friends. You know how to work for it. Good, good. Stop you using kindly, bro. Nice work. Yuri, some trading mentors rely on candlestick patterns for entry, like inflated pin bars, etc. But some other teaching things, they do not work. What is your opinion? My opinion, you need to trade what you understand. I don't understand energy, and I don't understand a foundation why those patterns should work. My strategy built on energy, key levels, all together, because I need to understand where big players will get energy, where they will hit stop losses of retail traders. Only after that, for me, it's easy to open entry, because I understand if big players, if big wheel accumulate huge volume, they can move. For them, after that, for them, it doesn't matter what's going on. But about those patterns, if I don't understand foundation, I will never use it. It doesn't matter. Even if some trader make money on it, I will not use it, because I need to understand it. It's my strategy, it's my account, it's my responsibility. The same must be for you. It's your account, your responsibility, and you need to do it. Okay, let's go cover all major currency pairs, and after that some instruments. New Zealand USD, so sad the price didn't hit this key level. To be honest, it's really so sad. I wait for this pullback. At this moment, huge possibility price will continue. About this key level, hard to say, because it's this key level will be against the global trend only if price will hit this key level sharply, and with more than one ATR, I will try to open some scalp sell, but still it would be idea against this global trend. That's all. If somehow price will do false breakout of this key level, that would be far better entry. Australia USD, the same key level here, as you can see. The same situation, global trend up. If somehow there would be false breakout, pull back, open buy to continue of the trend. USD Canadian. USD Canadian, it is the hardest currency pair, because it it depends on oil far more than on other factors, and technically we have this downtrend, and we have first key point here. If price slowly will approach to it, will create triangle, I will open sell entry. The same could be like this situation. It's nearly very close, not the same, but very close. Or as you can see, we have this mirror zone. Pull back to this mirror zone also could be a good sell, especially if oil will break up, will continue up price, that would be powerful drop. And if oil will rise up, at this moment we have US dollar becomes weaker, and break out of this key level altogether, it will create huge reasons for Canadian dollar become stronger. The next one, USD Japanese yen. After this accumulation, price were in this range. By the way, I sent it to all my VIP members into VIP room that after breakout of this, Japanese yen will drop down dramatically, and that happened. At this moment, I don't recommend you to open entry against the trend, because after this accumulation, if you would take a look, price were for 2 or 3 months in this range, and it's hard to say why it will stop. I would not go against this machine. Pull back and entry for continue. That's all what I would do. And UK oil close to this gap at this moment, as you can see, price at this inside level. As you can see at this moment, hard to say what will be at this moment. Hard to say. Price in this range, I would stay away and wait for some certainty which will be. Okay, thanks, sir. Thanks. My friends, ask questions about those instruments which I analyzed just few minutes ago. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the next one, USD Japanese yen. Type into a chat what instrument would you like me to analyze. At this moment we've finished with major currency pairs, and we will do on those instruments which you will write to me here. You wrote Swiss franc, you did. Swiss franc we did. Silver. Many of you ask me about silver. Silver. Oh my god, silver doubled from this point, as you can see. There we have some key level. At this moment on silver we have only this key zone from which price possibly can make a pullback at least. What you need to understand, I believe that silver will follow the gold. Price cannot just rise forever without any pullback. As you can see, it's weekly chart, but here from 25 to 50 price rose up, just global trend. That's example for you why you should always set stop losses, because when there would be a global trend, there would be something like this. At this moment, pay attention to this key level. I would personally set alert on it, because there could be a pullback from that point. It calls higher border of a pullback from which price made a real low. At this moment, price very close to it, and price rose up dramatically fast for many days. Price cannot just rise up parabolically without any pullback or range. It is not healthy uprise. In most cases, it shows that cycle will finish. If there would be false breakout of this key level, open sell entry with low predictable risk, and potential profit could be even to this zone. Okay. Silver we just did. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. Do you use FIBO in your analysis? No. Once more, I told to all of you, this is only one indicator which I use in my personal life and trading. Only one indicator. You should watch that lesson after this stream, and you will understand why I use it. Okay, Euro New Zealand. Let's go. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand today. Still price inside of this range. It's interesting to see what will be today. If there would be a bounce, as you can see this key level we can take even here. Price bounced many times before that. This daily candle, this even here price bounced. Use this candle. If there would be false breakout today, I would open sell. What you need to understand, I would open sell if there would be only a false breakout on full ATR. Example for you, when we can open a position. As you can see, price sharply approached to this key level and made false breakout. The same here, if there would be sharp hit, especially today, I would open sell inside, stop loss above fails breakout. The next one, Euro British Pound. Euro British Pound. Euro British Pound, as you can see, we have this inside level. It is like a limit level, but it is not the most beautiful picture which I saw in my life. Triangle, if daily candle will close at this level, very close, tomorrow after breakout I will open by entry to continue, because still we are inside of this global upward channel. A huge possibility it will continue. British Pound USD, I told that British Pound USD nothing interesting. Hayuri, Australia Japanese yen. At the beginning I told USD Japanese British Pound USD is not interesting. Australia Japanese yen false breakout after re-high, close retest. If there would be breakout of this key level, it can continue down drop. Remember this, there are this trend line and this key level. Only if there would be breakdown, that would start downtrend. That could start downtrend. At this moment, price still inside of this upward trend global. Only after breakout. Bam 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 bam. Ripple, yes, I will do Ripple. Australia Japanese yen. Ripple, we just did it. Ripple, check. Chima Asabaha Sarako. If you will write down once more about in other language, I will block you, because I don't know did you wrote something good or not. Once more, if you will write down here in any other language than English, I will delete you. Do you use trend line in your analysis? Yes, I do. Cooper, what about Ripple? Sir, I want to copy your trade. How? Write to my team here, write to my team, and they will send you a proposition about copying. Because my friends, at this moment we have VIP alerts. You can see it's here. It is our BiKo Trading room, and on these days we are moving into Discord. On next few days we will move it completely. At this moment we added few, like as you can see, not a lot of people, just for a test how it works. And after that, so soon there would be all alerts here inside. As you can see, crypto alerts, as you can see, forex alerts, trading view analysis, trading plans on everyday basis. Nearly every day I record an analysis, what to trade, best instruments for every day, best trading ideas, my best entries. It will help you to educate. For those who will buy education, I create a chart where we can communicate together, but it will be only those who will take education, it will be acceptable for you. For those who signals, only without any signal. Do you trade all the pairs? Yes, I trade all instruments which show to me accurate trading ideas. Okay, what are the, yesterday I chat your team for VIP signals, but nobody reply. Write more once more, because yesterday it was Sunday. Maybe my team missed you, and that's all. You should understand that my team cannot work 24/7. They need to sleep, something like that. Cooper, Ripple. Okay, many of you asked me about Ripple. That's why I'll do use this analysis. XRP USDT. Finally, it looks like Ripple a light, like Ripple show a life inside. But if you compare Ripple with other cryptocurrency pairs, you would see that still it looks very weak. Even daily candle couldn't close at highs. It means no one want to hold it and buy. The same, what you can do when price in uptrend, what should you do? After pullback, you open buy. Stop loss below previous low, and that's all. That's the best strategy which you can use when you have good trend market. At this moment, looks like all crypto market they could start a good bull market on all cryptocurrencies, because Bitcoin, as you remember, XBPUSD, XBT, because Bitcoin, with huge possibility, is going to break out all this global range, and if that will happen, that would be a signal of uprise, powerful uprise. That's all. Ethereum USD analysis, okay. Cryptocurrency pairs, Ethereum USD Coinbase, okay. Ooh, skyrocket, oh my god, finally it rose up. At this moment, pay attention to this key level, huge possibilities that would be hit. Remember, when price drop down or rise up fast, the same will happen like here, very fast, and that would be range and pullback. Or the same here, very fast drop, and after that a new powerful trend. The same here. If there would be continue with such candles uprise, at this key level, huge possibility of a pullback. And if there would be pullback, especially into this zone, as you can see, you can open buy for a long term, because technically it looks that there could be a powerful uprise. Okay. Hi Yuri, can you show me an example of false breakout? Thank you, and it's a pleasure to hear your explanation. Yes, example for you here on Euro Japanese yen. Take a look on this picture. A few seconds, I will add on the chart this stuff, which will help you paint better for me. Okay, as you can see, we have a key level, and after that, price made false breakout here. At one day, on Friday, price made this powerful down drop and pull back. Here, from this point, that we were entering with risk nearly 15 pips, and this was a potential profit. As you can see, it many times bigger. That's how false breakout strategy works. And I can teach you on my advanced course, especially. I have advanced course where you can learn that strategy, where I can teach you face to face. Example for you, how I cooperate with other students. Example, Florian. His name is Florian, he is from Germany. We started cooperation nearly 1 month ago, and first what we did, we cover a key levels, and it's example of his homework. He built me a trade breakpoint. I taught him how to build key levels. He did me many homework. We spoke all together about all type of key levels. After that, finally, I record him a full feedback about all these levels. After that, we will go to preconditions. After that, we will go to entry exit points, free strategy, false breakout, breakout bounce, and only after that he will create his step-by-step plan. That's how I do with my students, and you can be one of them. That's why I recommend you to write now to my team and ask about education. Here is a contacts, also that contacts of my team you can ask below this video. And what I can promise you, I can save you a few years of your life, and I can save you thousands of USD. Example of people who which traded without any education. Example, one man, he is from Nigeria. I don't know where he took 130k in Nigeria, and his account minus 62k. Example, another woman. Which wrote to me with 15 million account. As you can see here, positions. Once more, if you don't know how to trade, if you don't have a good education, it doesn't matter how much money you have on your account, you will lose it. That's why you should learn how to trade, and I can help you, and my team can help you, my company can help you with that, and we can save you many years and thousands of USD. And also, what else? At this moment, as you can see, my friends, I promise to you that I will give you reasons. I will record you and tell you the reasons why those people lose money on that accounts. Type into a chat, please. Is it interesting for you? I would like to type into a chat interesting. If I will see at least 10 interesting from different people, I will record that idea. Okay. Do you give signals? Did you see that I spoke about my VIP room? Why you ask such questions. Why you don't pay attention to details? You show BiKo Trading alerts, VIP signals. Just ask my team, write it about signals, about all that stuff, and you will get information. Interesting. 6, 7, very interesting. 8, interesting. Yes. Once more. My friends, I would like to see a few more interesting. Sir, you are a day trader. I'm a swing trader. I trade at key levels and I can hold a position for a few days. Yes, interesting. For example, USD Singaporean, I hold for 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Friends, few more interesting. Few more interesting, and I will continue. Also, at this moment, right now, push like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there will be so many useful information for you. You can just imagine, I prepare so many videos. In the future, it will be a game changing for for all people. Yuri, when you got a stop loss but the price goes in the direction you wanted, how do you pick the best place to enter again? Do you set pending orders with the trigger after price hits your stop loss? No, I don't do it. I open entries only at key levels, and I wait when price will come back below key level or above, and nearly that key level I will reopen a position. That's all. Stonry, you're going to get this course. It helps me a lot to understand more about the market. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Okay, good. The reason why most of the traders, why those traders lost such huge amount of money. First, this man, I will ask his name because I didn't save his name. So sad. Here, his account, as you can see, 138K, his account. And as you can see on his account, what happened? First sell position were on a gold when price were at 1708. If you would take a look on a chart, you would see Euro trading plans, gold, 1708, it is at this area. Nearly at this area, I will not pay a lot of attention to exactly put that price. As you can see here, nearly at that area. I don't know if he open sell here on here. I don't know. And after that, as you can see, when price went against him, he didn't close, he didn't take his loss. He could close all position with minus 4,000 of loss. After that, when price rose up 100 pips, he opened new sell. After 100 pips more, new sell, 20 pips, new sell, new sell, new sell, new sell, new sell. And finally, he wrote to me when price was 1,842. Finally, he wrote to me when the price were at 1,842 here. As you can see, he averaged his loss after when price were in this powerful uptrend. His mistakes: he didn't know where to put stop loss before he opened a position. Never open a trade if you don't know where will be your stop loss. Second, he averaged losses. Never average losses. Never. And third, martingale. Martingale, it is the most shittable strategy which I saw, because in 100% cases, in period of 2-3 years, you will blow out everything what you have, even if martingale in such a situation which were like here will bring you money. The same with these women. The same here. As you can see, the same few seconds, my team wrote something to me. I would like to read what they sent to me. The same with other people. Few seconds. Few seconds, my friends. This women invested. Okay. As you can see here, positions on EURUSD. As you can see, the same evil. The same evil. First, sell entry when EURUSD were at 1.10. At this moment, EURUSD, as you can see it here, At this moment, EURUSD at 1.1755, 1.10 were nearly here after breakout of this range. And just imagine, she hold her position from 27 May till July. May, June, and July, 3 months. And at this moment, she wrote to me when price were at 1.1580 in this area. As you can see, price 200 pips above their price 200 pips above their time when they wrote to me. The same mistakes, completely the same. As you can see, didn't know where they were here stop loss, use martingale, and average their losses. The same mistakes, completely the same, like copy paste. That's why, what can I tell you? If you don't know how to trade, and if you don't know how to trade, что происходит? Молодец, молодец, Дана, просто please write in English, because I can't read what you just sent. Yuri, can you please check though? Interesting, strongly recommend. Once more, my friends, if you don't know how to do, if you don't know how to trade, nothing will help you. You need to learn the strategy. That's why I strongly recommend you. I strongly recommend you to join the course, because you need to do it. There is no other way. I don't know what many of you are looking for. When we receive, when most of the people write to us, most of people ask about signals, but signals is a short term. Signals will help you to get fish, but you will not become a fisher. You will not become a man who can take fish at any time. You need to do it. There's no other way. Why? Because if you don't have a step-by-step plan, if you don't know what to do, if you don't have good trustful broker, how many years study Forex? 7 years. 7 years, and for the last year I paid 20,000 euro for my education. Only Forex education, business education, other education. I paid a lot of money for that, and also I blew out nearly 50k in my career before I understand what I'm doing. But for the last 3 or 4 years I didn't blow out any account. I had drawdowns, I had bad month, I had good month, but still, like last 3 years, completely different. Yuri, how many years study? Okay. At this moment also, my friends, I recommend you to open account with this broker, because there were a situation when some of you wrote to me the broker scammed you, and at this moment I strongly recommend you to open account with this broker. Also, we have an offer for everyone. You can read it here in our Telegram. If you will open account with our trustful broker, here you can open it and read. I can share with you our ATR indicator. Right now, you can below this video you will find a contacts of my team. You can write and ask them, hi, BiKo team, BiKo family, I would like to get ATR indicator, and how can I open account with your trustful broker? And if you will move to that broker, we will send you indicator for free. My friends, with all heart, I recommend you to join education, because only after education you will understand to do. Example of a few seconds. I would like to open you review and share where is it link. Few seconds. Where is it that link of our trading course? Because those of you who will join our advanced course, for you it will be completely again changing. Why? No, it is not. It's smart sender. Few seconds. Where is our course? Where is link of our course? Links, shared links, free course. Maybe I lost it. Top course, BiKo Trading. We have different plans, as you can see here. I recommend, it's advanced course. We have a free course for beginners, which everyone must to see. This one for those who want make trading their profession. First, as you can see, about risk management. Completely, you will understand everything. What volume you can use, where increase, decrease volume. Everything on all markets. Psychology. Stop factors and their analysis are excitement, greediness, high expectation, fear of failure. Big players. It is one of the most important part, because no one shows understanding of big players. Many of some gurus show you patterns, triangles, something like that, but far more important is a foundation of all markets energy and how big players accumulate a position. That's why it is one of the most important topic which you must cover. Type of markets. If you don't know which market, pros and cons of all markets, what are you doing here? How to choose best broker, technical analysis, everything, key levels, all type of key levels I will share here. I will share you how to build it, all that type. Also triangles, flags, all that stuff, how you can use it. Fundamental analysis. In what cases you can rely on fundamental analysis? Because for intraday traders, fundamental analysis will not help. But if you swing trader, long-term trader, it's important to see a whole picture, because when you will understand technical analysis and fundamental together, it will be also good for you. And as you can see, entry exit points, maybe it's the most important point why most of you will buy this course, advanced course, because here is, as you can see, entry exit points. I will show you 3 strategies: false breakout, breakout, bounce, entry points, exit points, well, set stop loss, take profit, when you can close your entries by partially, when you can hold for a long term, completely step by step. After this, we will create step-by-step plan which will work on all markets: forex, crypto, gold, commodities, stocks, doesn't matter. Even if you want to Keton, if you want to trade Keton or juice, you will be able to do it. Statistic, how to improve your trading strategy, which you have already, and how to earn more with the same efforts. It's for advanced students, especially for those who will work face to face with me. That's why, my friends, at this moment, just take it. Don't think a lot. Believe me, it will be a game changing for you. I promise you that it will change your trading. Gayan, just find a mentor, pay him, and Yuri, thank you. Yes. Sorry, Yuri, yes. At this moment, my friends, I should say thank you that you were here with me. And at this moment, follow our trading page, because here, when we will finish this stream, on our trading page, you will be able to see all our ideas in the future. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.